my channel. I'm so glad that you took the time to join me on today. I would ask that you enjoy this neutral eyeshadow tutorial, but first, please subscribe to my channel below and be a part of my family. I would love to have you continue to watch my videos, to like and to comment and be a part of my family. On today, I will be using Starrr's Glam AF Quad. I just love it. The quad looks like this. Look, you guys, I know the light is probably, there you go. The packaging is so beautiful. Look at these colors. I mean, they are amazing. This quad can be used for your neutral eye looks. It is amazing. I just love it. And so on today, on my lid, you will see I have this eyeshadow quad. Nothing else, just this quad. So please hang around and join me for this eyeshadow tutorial. The quad that we're going to be using has 4 shades in it. And the first shade we're going to be using is a matte shade called Saddle. And it's a shade right here. This shade will be our foundation shade for this look. And this is the shade that we're going to put right on the crease, or in the crease area. This shade is a matte light brown, and as you can see, it really is a good crease shade. I love it. It's not too warm and not too cool. It's just the right shade for this particular neutral look on today. And as you know, MAC has some really creamy, buttery shades. In fact, I have my first video on the YouTube was about a portion of my MAC collection. So if you haven't seen that video, please take the time and you can go back to my first video. I think it will be quite enjoyable. I have quite a few shades I think that you would be interested in and that you would like. And as always, I always use MAC Prep and Prime for my eye base or eyeshadow primer. I find that it helps my shades to stay on, my eyeshadow shades to stay on a little bit longer throughout the day. Next, I'm going to take an eyeshadow crayon, and what this does is this provides a base for my shimmery shade. So I'm going to take a moment and just carve out where I want the shimmery shade to go. And I think that's it. Now understand that if you make a mistake, hey, just go back and fix it. I mean, you know, it's makeup, and with makeup, if you don't like it, you can always take a wipe, take it off, and start all over again. I just love that. This is more about what you want to do in your artistic look. And so right now, we're going to take the shade, which is a frost shade, and Patrick called it Omigaud. And so we're going to take that Omigaud, it's O-M-I-God, and take this and put this over the base that we just laid down. A lot of the time, I like to use Fix Plus on my frost shades, but I think on today, the eyeshadow look. I mean, did you just see that? Look. The eyeshadow is so creamy, so buttery, and it just goes on, I mean, amazing. And that's how, my loves, you can tell if you have a good product. And I must say, throughout the years, I'm a MAC girl. MAC has always had beautiful formulations on their eyeshadows and also most of their lipsticks. I mean, I just love the product. The next shade I'm going to go into is a matte shade called Embark. This is an oldie but goodie to us MAC heads. It is a deep brown, but it's simply gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous, you guys. And we're just going to put that on our outer corner here. We're going to pat that on our outer corner. And this is going to just give us a little bit of depth to this look. As you can see, do you see? It just adds on. And again, build up the color like you want it. Certainly for daytime, I think that is a nice build up. Just like that. Very nice. But of course, we're not done yet because it's all about what? The blend. So right now, I'm just placing the colors in the place that I want them to be. Next, I'm going to go back to our original color, which is right here, Saddle. And what we're going to do is take that color and I'm going to use it to marry the two colors from the Frost to the Embark. There we go. And that just helps it blend together seamlessly so you won't see the line of demarcation. It will be a smooth blend between the Frost and the matte shades. And I think that does it right there. So next what we're going to do is take a blending brush. Any one that you have in your collection is fine. And you're just going to take it, and I'm going to take it over here. It has a little bit of saddle probably on it. I'm just going to blend that out the corners. And I usually go in circles in this area because I don't want it to go up too high, like to the brow bone, because we're going to put a color up there. I just want to do a light blend so that there are no harsh lines over here. And if anything goes too far, certainly we'll get a makeup wipe and we're going to make sure that that's a clean line right here. But we just want to take the time to blend, blend. And what do I say? Blend some more. You got it. Here we go. It's all a learning experience, my friends. Practice makes perfection. It really does. Nobody gets this overnight, including me. You have to practice. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and start the bottom lash line. And so what I'm going to do is take the original Frost shade right here. I'm going to go ahead and put that in the inner corner right there. I'm going to do the same eyeshadow pattern I did up at the top of my lid. I'm just going to marry it down to the bottom. And if you're interested in what I have on my lips, I believe the shade I have, it's by ColourPop. Beautiful packaging, as you can see. Outstanding. And it's the shade Friends. I know you probably can't see it because of the light, but it's called Friends. And hold on. It's a beautiful, beautiful brown. That's what I have on my lips today. I love it, especially for the fall, the winter season, or if you're my complexion, rock it anytime you want to, sweetie. Just be you and have fun. So here we go. I'm taking the outer shade on the outer corner and just bringing it down here. There we go. That's what we want. Very, very nice. I'm going to pop a little bit of, let's see, the satin color, which is Brulee. I'm just going to pop a little bit of that in my brow bone. Not too much, not too much. Don't want to look ghostly. Just want to give it a little bit of highlight. And I'm really not one that's into a lot of brow bone highlights, not too often, so that's enough for me. And what I'm going to do is, next, we're going to just clean up a little bit. There we go. And so what I'm going to do off camera, I'll put on my lashes and then I'll be back. If you are not comfortable putting on lashes, please, the video before this one shows you how I put on my lashes. This particular lash that I'm wearing is from Clichy Beauty, and their online mink lashes, a very affordable brand. But again, please go to my video about eyelashes and you will learn very quickly how to put on your own lashes, okay? Just a moment, I'll be back. And here we go with the finished look. I am super excited about Patrick Starr's Glam AF palette. It is Leeleefabulouschic approved. I tell you, this is beautiful, beautiful makeup. And what I'm going to do is, let's just put on a little bit of this Friends lipstick by ColourPop. Beautiful. And just for fun, I'm going to use our super shade again, which is Omigaud. And why don't we just put a little bit in the center of our look. I'm feeling a bit adventurous today. Oh. Good decision. That just topped off the look just like I like it. So again, my friends, thank you so very much for joining me on today. Please, please subscribe to my channel below because I want you to be a part of my YouTube family. And please press the bell because the bell will alert you every time I load a video up on the YT. And I don't want you to miss anything that I have to say on this channel. Again, please comment and let me know what you would like me to do on this channel. Let me know if there are any products or looks or anything that you're interested in. I would love to hear from you. Once again, thank you, and thank you some more. My loves, enjoy.